Hey guys, we received this Medca monthly pill organizer set for test and try. As you can see, comes in a really nice box, and this is a complete set for a month that you can store your medicine in. And let me just open up this. So the different colors for the different weeks or the days. So you can organize very easily, and they have the marked AM and PM thing. So say day one, and then AM and PM for the morning and the night medicine. You can store each medicine easily in this cabin, like in this small boxes, and then can store at once. And then for the whole month, you can easily take your pills one by one from this one, and you can easily hold this small cubbies into this storage tray, so easy to clean as well, and they are really like nice material as you can feel it here. So a nice thing to have, like if you want to organize your pills and you don't want to just forget, so just adjust with the AM PM and just take out with the days count, and then have the AM PM medicines from it. So easy to clean, easy to store, easy to organize, and then also have like all the different medicines in one arranged well. So a nice monthly pill organizer with the different colors and AMPM theme.